don't know me, I go by Indigo, and in today's video I am partnering with Yolissa Hair, and I'm going to be doing like a little wig install video or whatever. They sent me a 20-inch headband wig. I'm pretty sure that you guys have seen them around. They're like in a little wig. They don't have like the lace or whatever. They're like headbands. Like, I guess it's very convenient. I'm not gonna sit here and try to play like I didn't already open it, because I definitely did. So this is not an unboxing. I already took it out the bag. I don't know, I was just curious. But yeah, so like it's like this 20-inch curly headband wig or whatever. And yeah, it came with some other stuff like some lashes. Now these lashes don't even look bad, because you know usually wig companies be sending lashes and they be looking a bit questionable, but 3D faux mink eyelashes, super cute. You know, they sent me a little, I think this is a head tie with it. Lord knows I need a bunch of these because I'm always losing mine. And they sent me an edges brush. Sent me like this hairband as well. Not gonna lie, I already used it when I was laying down my swooping. We're just gonna pretend, we're pretending. I'm going to install it, and I typically, when you put on the headband wigs, like from what I've seen, the videos I've seen, you know, they usually like, you know, push it to the back and stuff. But I was like, I don't know, I want to try something cute and I want to do a swoop bang with it. Now this was a bit of a challenge because I have 4C hair and this wig texture is like curly, so I don't know if we're gonna blend. But if we don't exactly blend, please mind your business. Before we get into anything, please make sure that you give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell for post notifications. And let's get straight into it. Let me just retie this over. I'm sorry the application is not as, this is so cute. Shut up. Oh my gosh, I literally hate the color pink, but this is like tolerable. Isn't this giving like 90s housewife or whatever, who's like husband like cheats on her or some shit? I don't know. At least let's just get that on. Ooh. Okay, so we're just gonna want to get that, whoa, over there. And then like these little Velcro straps or whatever that you could just like clip. So I'm just gonna try to get that clipped and secured, right? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks curly-ish with the headbands. Keep in mind, I do not have curly hair. I have 4C hair, so it's not gonna like exactly blend, you know. Actually, it's cute. Oh my gosh. I think I like it in like this curly puffed up type state. And also the really cool thing is like it's super versatile to find the curls, because I feel like that's what we want to see. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with some moves. You know, the curls defined. I personally prefer like when I have water wave wigs. Oh, this is cute. Oh yeah. So as y'all can see, these curls the curls are really pretty. I'm using the Tresemme mousse and just kind of working that in there. And if you do want a little bit more you can of course get a diffuser. I have a diffuser, but I feel like this is such a steal. Like, it's such a cute wig. This is cute. I feel like I could definitely get like a schoolgirl look out of this. Super simple. Like, I just showed you guys just a few styles you could do. You could also swap out the headband. I just like this one because it's cute, right? and you could definitely get a lot out of it, and it's super pretty. So yeah guys, yeah, so like I said, all links to everything, all the information, all the details and everything on this wig will be down below in the description. And they definitely have other textures like kinky, curly, straight, all of that. If you're needing a headband wig and something quick and simple, everything will be linked down below, so definitely feel free to check that out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and this concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell so you can get post notifications and be notified each and every single time that I post on this channel. I had a really great time today. Hope that you guys did too. Like I said, if y'all are feeling it, all the links and all the information will be down below. Definitely stay tuned for more content. I know that this was like a shorter video. I haven't done hair videos in a while, but I don't even want to really speak on what's about to happen with y'all. This is about to get a good amount of hair videos because I'm feeling a bit impulsive for homecoming season, you know. So you might have a drastic change, might not. I don't know. I don't know. We don't know yet. Y'all don't know yet. I know, but y'all don't know yet. But I'm definitely feeling like it's time for a change. Like I said, thank y'all so much for the love and support. Definitely stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you on the next one. And to go out.